Hey, thanks for tuning in for another one. I'm going to unbox the inland HDMI cable from Micro Center. This is the HDMI male to HDMI male 6-foot HDMI cable with Ethernet or internet. This is the package here. Yep. It's gold plated. 24 karat gold plated contacts, 4K, 2K resolution, twin color, 6 feet audio return channel, HDCP compliant, 3D TV ready. Got it for $13.99. This is the back of it. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, got it out. So it comes like this. It's the cable. This is what it looks like. It has a plastic protective cover over it. And this is the male to male. Okay, this is the 6-foot cable. Let's take off the protective cover. Alright, thanks for tuning in for this unboxing of the inland HDMI male to male cable with Ethernet from Micro Center. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.